and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. If you are new and never been to the kitchen, go out and hit that subscribe button so each time I can welcome you back. All right, so on the menu today, we're doing cornbread dressing. Now there's a difference between cornbread dressing and stuffing. We are doing cornbread dressing. So I'm gonna show you my ingredients. Of course, first thing we have is some cornbread. We have some cream of mushroom soup, chicken broth. We have 2 boiled eggs, and I will be also using a raw egg. We have our trinity: celery, onions, green pepper, and for seasoning, we have sage, black pepper, and salt. So to get started, I am going to add all of my vegetables to a pot with the chicken broth, and then I'm going to boil them with the seasonings in there as well. Dressing is so easy to cook. You just combine a few things together in a pan and cook it. So, I have my vegetables in there. I'm going to put my chicken broth. I have 3 tablespoons of sage. I like mine to have a lot of vegetables, and I like it to have a lot of seasoning. So I had a cup of each vegetable, 3 tablespoons of sage. I'm going to put a generous amount of black pepper. I like my food to have a lot of flavor. You know me, guys. Not a lot of salt, though. There's too many other flavors other than salt. So we're just going to stir this up, let it cook down, and once it's reduced, then we'll come back and add it to our cornbread with our boiled eggs and a raw egg a little bit. So you can see that all the vegetables are cooked down in there. All that sage is in there, that black pepper, nothing but a pot full of flavor. All my vegetables and chicken stock are boiling, they're almost done. So I'm going to prep my cornbread. I'm only going to probably use half of this. So I'm going to put this in half for now. What I'm going to do, crumble it all up in the bowl so that we can mix it. We've got our bowl. I'm just going to crumble, and I'll put these gloves on since I'm just sticking my hands all in the food. Just crumble it all up to make sure everything's all nice and crumbled. I have my 2 boiled eggs over there and 1 raw egg. And usually for this small amount of dressing, I would usually only use 1 egg because there's 1 large egg, but those eggs were so small. Okay, so got your cornbread nice and crumbly. I don't want big, thick chunks in there, so we gotta just make sure everything's nice and crumbled. Got 1 more piece, I can fill it down in there. There we go. Okay, so now that's nice and crumbled. See, just cornbread. So to that, I'm going to cut up my boiled eggs. Just dice them up. Not be the safest way to show you how to cut up an egg. This is just how I do it, quick. You want real small pieces in there because you don't want to eat eggs by itself. We want dressing. And just egg give a little flavor, help it hold together. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You talking about something giving it flavor? Yes. Okay, and I'm going to add that. It's twisted. Okay, I'm going to add that and get most of the vegetables out first, just in case we don't need all of the liquid. But we do want all of the vegetables. So I'm going to scoop all the vegetables out first. I'm gonna stir it up and see just how, yes, there we go, look at that. Mix it up real well. I like a lot of flavor in my dressing. I don't want it to taste like just plain old wet cornbread. So I put a lot of flavor in here, a lot of love in here. Look at that. Yes, that's good enough. We don't even need all of that. Now, if I were going to use the other half, if I wanted to make a lot, I could, but I want to use that cornbread for something else. So I'm going to take my mixture, pour it into my casserole dish. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to put it in the oven for 1/2 an hour. Spread it out evenly. Look at that. And I'm just going to put it in the oven for 1/2 hour. Okay, it's been a 1/2 hour. Let's turn this oven off. I'm going to get our dressing out. There we go. It's hot. And we're going to plate it and taste it. So as you can see, the dressing has vegetables and eggs. You can see some of those spices in there. I'm just going to get me a little bit and taste it. It's still hot. It just came out of a 400-degree oven, so it's hot. Have the right amount of seasoning, right amount of vegetables, not too moist, not too dry. So this is how I want you to cook your dressing for Thanksgiving. If you want dressing for Thanksgiving and you want to cook turkey and dressing, I have a video out there called How to Cook a Turkey. Look at the link below for that video and you can cook the turkey and the dressing. All right, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time in Lavonne's Kitchen. Bye.